In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment method to your Microsoft account. First, we'll go to Microsoft.com. Then, go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, click on your avatar icon in the top right corner of the screen and select View Account. On the My Account page, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Payment Options. Next, under the Payment Methods section, click on the Add Payment Method button. Choose your country and then add your credit or debit card information. Here, you'll just need to fill in the basic details like the name on the card, card number, expiration date, and the CVV. For the address section, address line 1 is required, city is required, and the postal code is required. Keep in mind that any fields with a red asterisk are mandatory. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Save button. If your details in the card are added successfully, you'll get a notification like this. At this point, Microsoft will make a $1 transaction on your payment card. If the transaction goes through, Microsoft will immediately make another transaction to refund that $1 back to your account. The only purpose of this is to check if the card is active, so you won't actually lose any money here. After adding the card, hit Close. You've now successfully added a payment method to your Microsoft account. From here, you can purchase Microsoft products and services like Office, cloud storage, OneDrive, and many others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.